Yeah. Flame. What happened? Young Flame the dog, man. Mobile, Alabama. TMV Assassin. You feel me? YLTD, you feel me? Go subscribe my shit, like my shit. I don't give a fuck if you don't like me. You dig? I spit that fire, feel like my words dripping. Purple in my cup, they wonder what a nigga sipping. Smoking purple freezer, higher flyer than a pigeon. Your girl slide me a number, but I never call her digits. I ain't sound too good, I ain't sound too different. But being a pussy nigga, see that go with my religion. See, I light you up like the day before Christmas. Beat you like your daddy, but I never been that mister. And I put that on my missy. I don't trust these bitches. You might say you love me, that's the love that I'm forgetting. I look a little different, we might leave with no permission. If we ever hurt each other, will we ever have forgiveness? That's some real shit, no fear telling my vision. Put it all on the line, so what is your decision? It's like we neck to neck about to hit on collision. An X mark the spot to your heart, I wanna, is it me? Is it you? To make me feel the way I do? Or is it love? Is it pain? Swear I never be the same. Is it me or is it you? To make me feel the way I do? Or is it love? Is it pain? Swear I never be the same. Is it me or is it you? To make me feel the way I do? Or is it love? Is it pain? Swear I never be the same. I can love my heart, bro. Damn, man, my jaw go. Tell me how far I'm about to go, cause I really can't take no more. Different shit with the same way, so seem like me the same hoe. Different tone, but the same wrong. All you bitches in the same song. Real nigga who I'm gonna be. What you bitch really want from me? First bitch won't lie to me, then turn around, try to cry to me. Like I'm supposed to feel sorry for you. I don't know why the hell I love you. I don't know if I could love another like fucking man. Yeah, whatever. What if I did the same thing, play the same game with the same name on the same stage with a different page, and you wonder why I'm acting strange? Y'all don't really feel pain. Why I'm about to go insane, so I maintain my own lane, ride solo, do my own thing. Blowing on little Mary Jane, that's the only girl that can feel pain, cause Mary Jane had the same pain. Switch said that same thing. She be blowing on Young Flame and most smoke what she gain. I'm too high, make it rain, that's it run through my vein.